Helena Carter steps into the fog-shrouded village of Ravenswood, sensing an eerie unspoken history lurking beneath its ancient facade. The village feels like a place where secrets are buried deep. Helena checks into the village inn, where the innkeeper's cold gaze and oppressive atmosphere hint at something unsettling. She can't shake the feeling that she is being watched. In her room, Eleanor studies an old map, unaware of a mysterious figure watching her through the mirror. The sense of danger grows as the presence lingers ominously. As Eleanor walks down a dark hallway, she encounters the mysterious guest whose sudden appearances sends a chill through her. The air between them is charged with unspoken threats. In the village library, Eleanor finds an old journal that reveals dark secrets about Ravenswood's past. The librarian's shadow presence adds to the growing sense of unease. Eleanor ventures into the fog-covered woods, following clues from the journal. The trees seem to whisper secrets, and the mysterious guest silently observes her every move. Eleanor discovers a crumbling chapel where Father Gregory warns her of the dangers she is delving into. The chapel's dark secrets seem to press in on her, adding to the tension. In a hidden chamber beneath the chapel, Eleanor finds an ancient altar and a forbidden book. The air crackles with dark energy as she draws closer to the village's hidden horrors. Eleanor stumbles into moonlight clearing, clutching the ancient book. The mysterious guest appears, his presence intensifying the sense of imminent danger and mystery. At dawn, Eleanor uncovers the dark truth of Ravenswood in the village square. The shadows of the village's past loom large as she begins to understand the full scope of the horror. Mrs. Havisham warns Eleanor of the perilous path she is on. The room is thick with tension, and Eleanor's determination is tempered by a growing sense of dread. In the misty cemetery, Eleanor searches for answers among the gravestones. The mysterious guest lurks nearby, his presence adding to the oppressive atmosphere. Eleanor uncovers a hidden symbol on an ancient gravestone, sending a chill down her spine. The presence of mysterious guest grows more threatening as the secrets of Ravenswood are unearthed. In the cold town hall, Eleanor pieces together Ravenswood's twisted history. The village elder's knowledge of these dark secrets adds to the gravity of her discoveries. Eleanor faces the mysterious guest in the foggy village square. The tension is palpable as they stand off the clock tower above the frozen in time, signaling the impending doom. Eleanor races through the narrow streets, pursued relentlessly by the mysterious guest. The village's maze-like streets and thick fog amplify her desperation and fear. At the edge of the dark forest, Eleanor prepares for the final battle with the mysterious guest. The atmosphere is heavy with tension as the forces of light and darkness prepare to collide. In an ancient stone circle, Eleanor begins the ritual that reveals the true nature of the mysterious guest. The air hums with ancient power as the final confrontation draws near. As Eleanor chants from the ancient book, the mysterious guest writhes in pain, his form distorting under the power of the ritual. The climax unfolds as the darkness is finally driven out, with the dawn breaking the fog lifts, revealing a peaceful village at last. Exhausted but triumphant, Eleanor walks away from Ravenswood, leaving its dark past behind as the villagers emerge free from the fear.